Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Booknetic Documentation. Today we'll talk about the first setup process of Booknetic. Let's get started. First you must fill in business details, business hours, location staff, and service information to use Booknetic. Company details. Start the process by entering your company's essential details. You can find this setting by clicking the button on the installation wizard, or alternatively by going to Settings, then to Company Details. After you have clicked on the company details, fill in the required information and click Save. Business hours. Then navigate to the Business Hours section and add your working hours. You can add breaks or day offs in this section. Additionally, you can create your schedule for one day. Then click the paper button near Monday to copy it for the week. So no need to manually input the same thing every time. You can also mark the day as day off by ticking the little box next to the working hours. After you have configured your working hours, click on Save Change to remember it. Booknetic needs at least one location, service, and staff to function properly. You can disable specific location, service, or staff steps in Booking panel if they don't align with your specific needs. You only need to input the name of the location to make it work, but you can add an image, an address, a phone number, and a description if you want to. Click the Add Location button after you have finished. You will see the name of the location you created in the Locations tab. At this point, you have completed this step. Next, add staff members to allow customers to choose the staff they want. Only full name, email, and service location is required. But you can add additional details such as profession and phone number, as well as a picture. If you want staff members to log in their profiles, click the Allow to Login button. You can let them log in as an existing user or create a new user profile for them. It's also possible to configure the weekly schedule to the staff member. Just click on the weekly schedule and repeat the process from the previous step. If you need, you can add holidays and PTOs from the staff section. After you are finished with everything, click on the button on the right and this will save the information about the staff member. At this step, you need to add your services. Click on the Service tab and create a category. This is done so you can classify your products or services. To add a service, click on the little plus button and choose the service option. There are many options and settings to choose from. They allow you to change the duration, create recurring bookings, and allow group sessions. After you have finished everything, you need to click on the service in the header and choose a staff member. After you have chosen the staff, click on the red Add button. You can also create a separate timesheet for this specific service. If you offer complementary services alongside your main service, you can include them and show their prices. To allow users to book from your website, you need to add a booking panel to the web page you need. You can do this by going to WordPress, then clicking on Pages, and then to Add New. Adding the booking panel is straightforward. Click the plus icon and search for Booknetic, and include the shortcut in the web page. In the web page, you added the booking panel. You see how users can interact with your setup and create bookings. Congratulations! Now you have a fully working booking panel in your website. And that's it guys, we have made a lot of progress today. Now you know how to set up Booknetic and start getting appointments. In the next videos we'll cover additional features of Booknetic as well as diving in Booknetic tabs in more detail. See you later!